If you accidentally deleted a contact on your Android phone, there's nothing to worry about. Let's try and restore it. So the first method is via the contacts, via the built-in contacts app of your phone, of course. So let's open up this application. Now let's tap on the three dots at the top right corner and let's press trash. So here we can see all the contacts which have been deleted within the 30 days. If it was after 30 days, unluckily, they're permanently lost. So hold your finger on any content which you want to restore. Let's choose them all, for example, and simply press restore. That's it. Now they are back and we can find them in our contact list. However, if this wasn't the case, maybe there is a reason for you to try to store them through your Google contacts because Google stores them as well. So let's go back to our settings. Then we gotta scroll down to our Google tab. There we are. Now tap on your account name and tap on Google account. Here we gotta scroll down to people and sharing. After that, locate your contacts. Tap here. You'll be put in the web version of Contact app by Google. Sometimes it may be your built-in app. However, as I'm using Samsung, I have another built-in app. So press stay on web. Now let's tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Let's press trash. Here, once again, we can find some deleted contacts if they're here, of course. So to restore them, simply tap on it. Now tap on the check mark and press recover. Let's update the page. There we are. Let's go back to contacts and they are back. Well, basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.